Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am breaking down exactly how to transfer mid-season in college football 25. This is your whole step-by-step guide. Let's get into it. First things first, you need to complete your current season. You won't see the transfer portal option until that's done. Once the season wraps up, head up to the main menu and select the transfer portal. Now you'll see a list of available schools. Choose the one you want to transfer to and confirm your decisions. But hold on. Before you finalize anything, keep this in mind. The game may simulate some realistic penalties, like having to sit out part of the next season, losing some chemistry, or even reset your progress certain achievements. So here is a quick pro tip. Save your game before confirming the transfer. The way it things don't work out, you can reload and choose the different paths. And that's it. You're all set to transfer mid-season like a pro. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech gaming guides just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one with the new content.